Hello everyone, my name is Sang and welcome to Qlife. I've been waiting to do this box opening for this Qlife cup for the longest time. Just been a little bit busy, and without further ado, we're just going to open it up, alright? Upon opening up, you're going to find this user manual that just dropped. Okay, and basically, please take your time to read it through. And please also read the page 16, which is the maintenance of the Qlife cup, and this will help you maintain the Qlife cup a lot longer. All right, please take your time and read it and understand it. All right, okay. When you take it out, basically this is it. All right. When you first open up, there's a lot of covers. All right. When you find out, there's going to be one more right here. Okay, you're gonna screw it and you're gonna take it out. Okay. And there's going to be another one in here. All right, I just don't have it here. When you open it up, there's going to be water in there. Just remember to remove it and discard the water at the same time. The reason why we have it in there is just to pre-soak and then pre-wet it. If you find yours dry when you arrive, don't worry, just add a little bit of water and start it up as per instruction inside this. Okay. So you're going to open it up, take it out. All right. Okay. And then you're going to see this card in here, inside this flask, right? Inside this nice bag over here. You're going to take it out and then read it, and then follow the instructions on how to start up this whole unit. Okay, all right, gonna put it back in there. That's it. Okay, the thing may come charged, may not come charged at all, so you gotta go put it in there and then let it recharge. We're not sure how long the battery is gonna hold the charge, so sometimes it's been sitting in the warehouse, right? So you're gonna open it up, you're gonna charge it. It comes with the charger. Okay, comes with the cable and the charging head. All right, so you can use any charging head, that will be fine. Okay, the cable, any micro USB cable, same thing similar to all your cell phone these days, or your Androids, not the Apples. All right, unfortunately not the Apples, nobody goes with them. All right, okay, so when you first get it, you're going to basically find this thing here. I found it over here, stuck in there. All right, so remove it, and then if there's water, discard it. All right, okay, so we're just going to remove it. All right, and that's it. Basically, this thing comes with this nice beautiful pouch too for you to for traveling. And people may be asking also, what is this thing here? All right, okay, this is a neat little thing with this, including this. Okay, they all come with different threads. All right, this is mainly for the flask. Okay, this is for a big water bottle, mouth water bottle that you may find in the market. All right, and then another thing is that all these are the adapters. Depending on the type of bottles you have, you may need to screw this on. Usually it's this thing here, and then screw on to it here. Okay, I'm going to be demoing with my own cup in a minute. All right. Okay. First, you're going to see this thing here. I don't use plastic, I use a glass bottle. Please make sure you don't use carbonated water. All right. This is non-carbonated water in here. Okay. So while you're traveling, you may say, how am I going to travel with it? All you do is make sure you carry this and this thing here over here. Okay. And your charging accessories to make sure that you have charge on it. Right, you do not need to carry this along if you do not want to, so that may lighten a little bit. I mean, it's only like 10 grams. So another thing, just make sure you have this thing, so when you find your bottle, you adapt to it. Imagine there's water in there, just fill it up, tip it over, press, and that's it. All right, let it go, but make sure it's not, if it's glass, make sure it's not 100% fill up, about 80%, so that the gas can fill it up in there. If it's a little bit, it's bigger than 500 ml, so you may want to do it for 2 times, 10 minutes, because takes a little bit more time for it to get the proper hydrogen in there, right? So do choose a good bottle of mineral, non-carbonated mineral water, right? If you like distilled water, no problem. This will still make great hydrogen in there. If you like reverse osmosis, no problem. You still make great hydrogen in there. That's the difference between ionized ionizers on the market that don't work with mineral water. But this is a hydrogen cup. It does make negative ORP and molecular hydrogen. Molecular hydrogen will work with this special membrane, SPE membrane in there. It will make hydrogen, molecular hydrogen in there, all right? Regardless whether it is a distilled water, reverse osmosis, or any filtered water. Do not use any chlorinated water. It will destroy the membrane in here. That's how we will know, all right? If you, so this thing here works great. Get yourself a great filtration system like one from Chanson water, and that you can purchase it through us. That's not a problem. Or get yourself a great filter for your home. All right, water filters for your home. Don't buy bottled waters unnecessary. Just grab a good water filtration system for your home, or from us that I sell the Chanson type. All right, in Canada. So you can also then after that grab yourself one of this, and you'll be saving yourself a lot of water issues. Basically, drinking the healthiest water you can get with all the molecular hydrogen you can get in that. Basically, that's the real antioxidant negative ORP that everyone is talking about in the recent years. Okay. It will easily make over 1,200 parts per billion of hydrogen in the dissolved water. It may not look like as gassy as the ones that you see in the market. Some people selling tablets telling you that that would dissolve even higher amount. No, the bubbles doesn't tell you anything. All right, okay. So basically, it's the amount dissolved in the water, and that is the one that you're drinking. Okay, all right. Don't be fooled by others. All right. Okay. So hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, send me a question on my YouTube videos. All right, I'll respond as soon as I see it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down if you hate this video. Doesn't matter. Tell me your opinion. All right. See whether you like it. Try it out. Go to our website, read more about it, and then hope you purchase one and enjoy your water as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a great day and enjoy the summer's coming. And then you need to keep yourself hydrated. Thanks. Bye.